Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a bit different. So let's just get into it. I'm gonna be showing you my Nintendo 3DS from when I got like 10 years ago. So let's get to it. As you can see, it's still charging, so just in case it needs a little bit more battery. So look at the scratches that's on here, but it's in good condition. So let's open it. Anyway, let's go to the original sound. So this is for you guys. So this is all of the Steam backgrounds that I have for free. So a lot of anime, some Sonic, and then basic colors look like it, as you can see. So I'm glad I was able to download this. And it was because I had internet at that time, which I still do. And then I gained 4 steps, 204 play coins. Anyway, let's explore here. Go into my gallery here. So let's get into it. Alright, got my stylus pen. So this is obviously not it, so I lost one. Well, my cousin lost it. So, but that's okay, I have a spare one right here. And then usually, and I still do it, every time I go here I just like to change the colors, so I just do it by random, like this. And whatever color it is, I just hit OK. And then go back. And that's the color for the day. So I just did it because I love the noise, it's just so nostalgic. Anyway, let's go to photos and videos. So there's me. There's my baby brother. So this is from last year. I can edit stars here, and then anything like hearts. Let's see, musical notes. Doggies, dog paws. I mean. Anyway, let's try a different one. Let's see. Okay, this is me from 4 years ago. So I still look the same. So it's from May 31st. So kind of not recently, but you know. Anyway, graffiti, and then there's these bubble dots. And let's just go with, I know, like a smiley face, just like that. Alright, let me. Then what else? Oh yeah, these little dots. Then if you ever make a mistake, you could just always always erase. Yeah, so there's a lot of kind of stems here that you can use, flowers and then dots. Yep. And then let's see which one. Oh yeah, these leaves, clovers. Ooh, look at me. Hey, look at me. I'm an artist. Alright, and then there's exclamation. I always like to do this whenever I was a kid. But anyway, let's see. Oh yeah, here's a recent video. Here's a video that me and my cousin, we were young. Let me just give you a sneak peek. Nope, that's me again. Guys, so we're now in how's the mall? How do you even use Nintendo these days? Okay, wait, back. Next, hide, back. Next, yes, got it. Press the record button. I have no idea what it is. There you go. Good times. Look at her. Hug them all. Here, you might as well look at this. Oh. Gloria jeans. You wanna get a picture of it? Yeah. Hello guys. Welcome to the live stream, so just kidding, this is the live stream. We are recording at the mall. How the place looks like. All around us. Alright, and that's it. So I apologize for that kid screaming in the background. Apparently they don't have a pause button when you record, so it's just a one-time recording thing where you just don't pause. So I mean, you get what you get during the footage here, and then you can always speed up like this. You can always adjust the editing or go to a lower tone or a higher tone right here, or you can always slow it down. Yeah, and you can even you can play this in reverse too. Alright, and then there's my cousin. Took a lot of photos, so whenever she borrowed my Nintendo while I was out with Jocelyn, so she was a sneaky little devil. This is us in the airplane. There she is. There's the sneaky little devil.
What's up, my worlds? Here you go. That's your ticket.
We're now in the airports. My bad, I can't speak.
Here you go. Go mistaken.
Okay. Got the ticket. Okay. Here's the ticket. Right here. My God, Michelle's making sense. Or special guests? Not really. But well, anyway, this was dated back 2019. So what I love about this is that if it's overfilled with like a lot of videos and cameras and photos, I'm sorry, then you can just click here and it'll save all at once, and then it'll tell you exactly how many videos and photos you have stored in this file. So it's not a lot, just one video. Anyway, yeah, I took a lot of photos on this Tomodachi Island game, which I'm still obsessed. There's a photo of a color, yeah. Oh yeah, there's me and my cousin. I love it. From 8 years ago. That is nice. Okay, look at that. I did have this Nintendo for 10 years. Wow. Okay, here are my old photos. Oh my god. This is crazy. Okay, these are embarrassing. Alright. Well, anyway, you get it. So, these are honestly the most nostalgic photos and videos I've ever taken. So, I'm glad I did that as a kid. Anyway, going to home. I don't know why I have this. So Nintendo Zone, where you can download games. I think I didn't use it much, but right now, look, it says discontinued. Thank you for using the service. Brings me a little sadness whenever something is discontinued, something that I've known for like years, ever since I was a kid. But anyway, it's sad. But hey, at least I got this Dinosaur Office.
Surprise! Dinosaur Office! Roar! I'm Craig! Alrighty then, I guess I'll just grab something around here.
Men are such animals!
Well, anyway, I always wanted to watch the Dinosaur Office episodes, so I was kind of sad that I wasn't able to, get the full experience on that. But luckily, on 2021 or 2022, I discovered that they uploaded the full episodes on YouTube. So I'm just very happy. That way, I don't have to do any of this, because I mean, why? I mean, I'm looking for a high quality. Well, actually, it'll be not bad, but Nintendo Video. I mean, I don't even have that. I do, but like, I'm not. Okay, let me see if it works. Oh, I gotta download it. Oh, from it. Okay, so that's gotta cost a lot of money, so that's why. No, I don't want to delete it. YouTube. I could check that. Okay, I'll check that later. Let's go to internet browser. Let's see if the internet still works for me here. Please, please, please. All right. I'm gonna say YouTube. Wait, so is this not working or what? Ugh. Okay, let me try something. I don't know. Cats. Wow. Okay, so this browser thing is not even working at all. Okay, not sure what gives. Yeah, none of them work. Oh well. Okay. Okay, I'm just. Alright, I'm gonna get him. Oh, my back. Oopsies. Anyway, it's active. What is. That's funny. Anyway, let's go here. Oh, my hands. So this is my record. So look at that. And I always love this music. The other records. So yeah, as you can see, I have not used my Nintendo in so long because well, basically I've been busy with myself and with my work and with my little baby brother and of course vlogging ish, but it's just that I never had the time. But I am gonna be using my Nintendo often now, so that way it's in good condition and it still keeps on working. That way I can still be playing because these games are nostalgic. Anyway, let me go back. These are all the games that I've played. So it tells you how many times you played and for how long. And it gives you the date from when you started till the last time you played with it. Oh, I got more. Wow. Good times. Okay, well, that's everything I have to show you. So, I mean, if you're wanting to see more regarding this, so just comment down below. But it won't matter because I barely get any viewers. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys, bring it back, back to the 2010s era. But yeah, thank you for watching. And remember, always stay young, live as long as you can, and go out and always bring in your inner child. Because you never know when you'll regret it and feel, I don't know, lost. And well, that's what I'm feeling right now.